Okay, hey guys, so we've got the resume workshop coming up. I want to show you how to get in. When that lady's coming out, you can come in through that door, and we'll show you that right now. So you can come in this main door. We're not in that building, so don't go there. Main building. And then when you come in, there's a little hallway here. And we're going to be in that classroom right there. So it's Suite 100, okay? So when you get in, we'll get you registered, and then we'll get you sat down. We'll wait for everybody to come, and then we will kick things off. So make sure you have your homework packet done, and you drink your coffee and charge your laptops, and get ready for a 3-hour work session. And at the end of the day, you will be able to leave with a cannabis resume. So I will see you tomorrow at 6 o'clock, and have a good day. Bye-bye.